If you're looking for a hybrid tire that's good off-road as well as a good daily driver, then you'll probably find yourself in the all-terrain category. This Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ P3 tire will be a good option to take a look at if you're looking for an aggressive all-terrain tire that will perform great off-road in softer and muddy areas, as well as give you good traction on obstacles while keeping good road manners on the street. They will be offered in sizes 31 to 35 and 15 to 20 inch wheels for all 87 and up Wranglers. Mickey Thompson is a big name in tires, and that's all because of their well thought out construction. And like I mentioned, because this is a hybrid between an all-terrain and a mud-terrain, this will perform both well on the street and on the trail. The design of the tread will be interlocking to give you maximum control and traction that you may be looking for on the trail, and lugs on the tire will be wide enough to self-clean that will give you the benefits of a mud tire. However, in comparison to a mud tire, these lugs will be a little bit closer, which will wear better and more evenly, and most importantly, be quieter on the road when you're daily driving your Wrangler like an all-terrain. It will also have sipes in the surface like an all-terrain to push water out and give you better traction on the street in rain and snow, so you have a balance between both style tires. These will be thick as well with a 3-ply construction that will be a little bit higher ply than some other options for all-terrain tires that we offer, and this will allow for strength while keeping your sidewall flexibility when you air down off-road. Speaking of sidewall, this will also have a more aggressive sidewall than some other options on the site, with nibs and lugs that come down off the tread. This will allow for better traction when you do air down at the trailhead and protect against anything coming in contact with the sidewall on the trail or even from a curb when you're aired up on the street. Price will vary with what diameter and wheel size that you're looking to roll with, but these start at right around $190 at the moment. The price on this will land itself in the higher end of the spectrum, right under the Nitto Ridge and the Exo Grappler, because of the well-built design that MT creates here. These will be one of the most aggressive looking all-terrain tires on the page in my opinion, but it does carry over a bit more features than other options that are lower priced do because of the beefy sidewall and the self-cleaning features. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.